Welcome to Fascia Masters Q&A with D&Q, episode 24. How does block therapy benefit metabolism?
Hi there, my name is Deanna Hansen. I'm a certified athletic therapist and the founder of Fluid Isometrics and Block Therapy.
And my name is Quinn Castellane. I'm the VP of Block Therapy and the lead block therapist.
We all know that typically as we age, our metabolism slows down, and there's some understanding around this regarding lean muscle mass, but we have a bit of a different perspective as well. Ultimately, metabolism is the body's ability to convert food and beverages through the use of oxygen into cellular energy. So when we're young and we don't have a lot of compression in the body from years of aging, we have a whole bunch of cells that are hungry that are going to use this food. But what happens as we age is, under the constant force of gravity and unconscious posture and breathing, we start collapsing. Also, with injury and surgery, we create more blocks to blood and oxygen flow. So no matter what your life has been to this very moment, we have all these barricades to feeding that food to those cells. So ultimately, there's less mouths to feed, slowing down the metabolism over time.
Exactly. But what's also very interesting is you mentioned oxygen is the converter. So as Deanna mentioned, when we're collapsing, we're not breathing properly, then the metabolism can't increase, or your metabolism can't increase, because you're also blocking the oxygen flow as well. So again, breathing diaphragmatically can pull in up to 6 times the oxygen. So simply by increasing your oxygen intake and absorption, then that will literally speed up your metabolism. But again, of course, we still need to go in there and release the fascia, release the grip, so that we can integrate and awaken those cells that have been compressed.
And it really comes down to understanding proper foundation. So we have approximately 100 trillion cells or mouths to feed.
Right.
And every cell has a position in its body that it's supposed to be in. But because of unconscious posture and gravity over time, we migrate away from balance. So block therapy is extremely beneficial at getting into that tissue, melting through those adhesions that are blocking blood and oxygen flow, and rejuvenating cells, increasing the number of mouths that we're going to feed.
Exactly. And what I find interesting is they mention, specifically in bodybuilding and fitness as well, the more muscle mass you gain, the faster your metabolism will increase. And in theory, yes, that definitely makes sense if you're not really compressed. But the way people are training in the gym now, they're forcefully compressing, they're not breathing properly, they're not aware of their posture and their alignment, so their tissue becomes more dense throughout their entire body. So you might notice an increase in metabolism initially, but over time, you're gonna compress more, that's gonna block more blood and oxygen flow to cells, and your metabolism will be slowing down. So to increase your metabolism, you don't necessarily have to increase muscle mass. That is your option. But doing block therapy, releasing the grips, increasing oxygen, and then understanding the posture alignment to maintain all of that work we've done is what will create and increase your metabolism.
Absolutely, and really it's really simple. There's no skill required to this process, and anybody can do it, whether you are bedridden with fibromyalgia or whether you're an elite athlete. Opening up, melting through those adhesions, increasing your oxygen uptake will only benefit you no matter where you're starting from.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I think that's everything for today. Again, this was a shorter episode, but we wanted to be right to the point so you can understand how you can increase your metabolism and start right away. So unblockyourbody.com, you can visit that page and you'll get a couple free gifts. So if you have any questions for us, you can leave your comments below, or please use the hashtag AskBlockTherapy. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next week.
Breathe and believe.